Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today, I am going to teach you some problems of exercise 18A of the topic area of trapezium and a polygon. So, let us start question number 1. In question number 1, the length of the fence of a trapezium-shaped field ABCD is 130 meter and side AB is perpendicular to each of the parallel sides AD and BC. If BC is equal to 54 meter, CD is equal to 19 meter and AD is equal to 42 meter, find the area of the field. So here first of all we draw a trapezium ABCD. Here AD is parallel to BC. Is it clear? Length of fence means length of boundary. Fence means घेराव करना, बेड़ा लगाना, घेरा लगाना. Is it clear? So here given perimeter of trapezium. The length of fence means here given perimeter of trapezium. The perimeter given perimeter of trapezium ABCD is equal to 130 meter. Perimeter means sum of the length of all sides, means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is equal to 130 meter. AB plus BC is equal to given 54 meter, CD given 19 meter, DA given 42 meter is equal to 130 meter. Next we can write AB plus, here add 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 2, 15 carry 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 4, 11 is equal to 130 meter. Therefore, AB is equal to 130 minus 150. We get 15 meter. Is it clear? So lastly, we find area of trapezium ABCD. So hence, area of trapezium ABCD is equal to, we know that half into sum of parallel sides. So here parallel sides AD and BC into distance between them. So means here height. The height here AB, because this is perpendicular, so into AB. Half AD plus BC given 42 plus 54 into, here find AB is equal to 15 is equal to 1 by 2 into 42 plus 54, we get 96 into 15. Here 96 is a multiple of 2, so divisible 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16. Here we get 48 into 50. 15 8 ja 20, carry 12. 15 4 ja 60 plus 12, 72. 720 a square meter. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, in the given figure ABCD is a trapezium in which AD is parallel to BC. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. AD is equal to 16 centimeter. AC is equal to 41 centimeter. And BC is equal to 40 centimeter. Find the area of the trapezium. So we know that area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. So here value of parallel sides given, what height is required here. So we find First of all, we take in right triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC 90 डिग्री सामने वाला हाइपोटेनस होता है। यहाँ रिमेनिंग एयर परपेंडिकुलर मीन्स एयर AB इज इक्वल टू बी राइट स्क्वायर रूट AC स्क्वायर माइनस BC स्क्वायर बाई पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। In previous classes, you had learned Pythagoras theorem. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of its leg. Is it clear? So right here AB is equal to square root AC square minus BC square. Here AC value given 41 square. BC is equal to 40, a square of 40. A square of 41 we get 1681 minus a square of 40 1600. We get 1681 minus 1600 we get 81. A square root of 81 we get 9 centimeter. Is it clear? So hence area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into sum of parallel sides means AD in plus BC into height. Here height AB because AB perpendicular to BC. So this is called height. Half into AD given 16 plus BC 40 into AB find out here 9 is equal to half into 40 plus 60 we get 56 into 9 is equal to here 28 to ja 56. Here 28 into 9 we get 9 8 ja 72 right 2 carry 7 9 to ja 18 plus 7 25 252 a square centimeter. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, the parallel sides of a trapezium are 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Its non-parallel sides are both equal, each being 13 centimeter. Find the area of the trapezium. Draw a trapezium ABCD. Parallel sides here given AD and BC. Value of BC 20 centimeter, AD 10 centimeter. Non-parallel sides here AB and CD. Given value 13 centimeter, 13 centimeter. So here the value of parallel sides are given. We find only height. So we draw DE perpendicular to BC and DF parallel to AB. Here construction required to find height. So we construct it and we get here ADFB is a parallelogram. In parallelogram opposite sides are equal means AD is equal to BF. Here 10 centimeter so also BF 10 centimeter. So here remaining here length FC. The 20 minus 10 we get 10. Here DFC is an isosceles triangle because here DF is equal to DC. So here ABCD is a trapezium in which draw DE perpendicular to BC and DF parallel to AB. Triangle CDF is an isosceles triangle because here DF is equal to 13 centimeter, DC is equal to 13 centimeter and DE perpendicular to FC. DE perpendicular to FC. तो इन आइसोसेलस ट्राइंगल जब परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करते हैं तो बेस को दो इक्वल भाग में बांटा जाता है। ये दो केस में होता है, एक इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल में और दूसरा आइसोसेलस ट्राइंगल में। तो हियर ई इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ एफ सी। तो वी राइट हियर एफ ई इज इक्वल टू ई सी इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू एफ सी। हाफ FC value 10, 2 5 ja 10, 5 centimeter. So here in right triangle DEF, so we find here DE is equal to a square root DF square minus EF square by Pythagoras theorem. So here DF is equal to 13, a square of 13, EF is equal to 5. A square of 13, 169, a square of 5, 25. We get a square root 144 is equal to 12 centimeter. So here we find the height D is equal to 12 centimeter. So hence area of trapezium half into sum of parallel sides. Here parallel sides AD and BC. AD is equal to 10, BC is equal to 20 into height. Here height DE. The D is equal to, just find out, 12. 2 6 are 12. 10 plus 20, 30 into 6. We get 180 a square centimeter. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 4. In question number 4, the parallel sides of a trapezium are 25 centimeter and 11 centimeter, while its non-parallel sides are 15 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Find the area of the trapezium. The here parallel sides AD and BC, non-parallel sides AB and CD. Here value of given non-parallel sides 15, 30, parallel sides given 25, 11. But here height is not given. So find here height. Here some construction are required to find height. So here DF perpendicular to BC and DE parallel to AB. Clearly we can say ADEB is a parallelogram. In parallelogram opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to 13 centimeter, so DE is equal to 13 centimeter. Is it clear? AD is equal to 11 centimeter, so BE is equal to also 11 centimeter. Or complete length of BC given 25. So find the length of EC. So 25 minus 11 we get 14 centimeter. So here in triangle DEC, DE is equal to 13 centimeter, EC is equal to 14 centimeter, DC is equal to 15 centimeter. दो ट्रायंगल के केस में एक आइसोसेलस दूसरा इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल में हाइट यहाँ मिड पॉइंट का काम करता है. But here this triangle is a scalene triangle, so here we use the hero's formula. In triangle DEC, AC is equal to half into sum of sides. The here sides given 13 plus 14 plus 15 is equal to half into 13 plus 14 we get 27, 27 plus 15 we get 42, 21 to 42 is equal to 21 centimeter. So area of triangle DEC is equal to root under S into S minus A. Here S 21, 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. In hero's formula, square root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. In another way, area of triangle DEC with respect to height half into base. Here base given EC because here perpendicular draw into height here DF. We know that another formula with respect to height half into base into height is equal to given 21 into 21 minus 13 we get 8 into 21 minus 14 we get 7. 21 minus 15 we get 6. Half. Here base given EC is equal to 14 centimeter. DF is required 21. We write here 7 into 3. 8 we write 4 into 2. 7 write as usual. 6 write we 3 into 2. So therefore here in a square root double 7, so comes 1 7 out. Here 3 double, so come once. Here also 2 2. Repeated 2 times in a square root. Find here a square root of 4 2. Also a square root of 4 2. So therefore DF is equal to 7 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here we multiply, cross multiplication, upon 14. So 7 2 is 14, 2 2 cancel out. 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12 centimeter. Here we find height 12 centimeter. Hence area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides. Here parallel sides AD and BC means 11 plus 25 into height. Height just find out 12. 2 6 12. 11 plus 25 we get 36 into 6. We multiply 6 6 36, carry 3. 6 3 18 plus 3 21. 216 a square centimeter. This is your required answer. Is it clear? I hope you will complete the exercise 18A with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.